On March 26th, 2024, a bridge in Baltimore just collapsed.
But this story isn't just about what happened. It's about a hidden risk all across America.
So here's what went down. At 1:29 a.m., the huge cargo ship Dali slammed into the bridge.
Tragically, a road crew was on the bridge at that moment. 6 people lost their lives. Now, to guide the Dahlia out of port, there were 2 harbor pilots on board.
These pilots are local experts with tons of training, but the ship's captain is still in charge.
They're called the surgeons of the sea. It's a standard safety measure for these massive ships. Which brings us to the bridge itself. It opened back in 1977, built to old standards. And believe it or not, the bridge had been hit before, but by a much, much smaller ship.
Just look at the difference. The Dali was over twice as long and 10 times heavier.
And that's the whole problem, right? The ships got way bigger, but the bridge's defenses didn't.
This all points to a risk that was basically hiding in plain sight.
So why was the Key Bridge so vulnerable? Well, it comes down to a test it never had to take.
It's called a vulnerability assessment. It became a thing in '91, years after the bridge was built.
So after the collapse, the NTSB ran the numbers, and what they found was just stunning.
The bridge's collapse risk was almost 30 times higher than what's considered acceptable.
30 times! And that's the scary part. You have to wonder, is the Key Bridge the only one like this? Turns out there are 68 other major bridges with this exact same unknown risk level. We're talking some of America's most famous bridges. Their modern-day risk, totally unchecked.
Okay, so how do we fix this? The NTSB has put out some urgent recommendations.
Step 1, get a federal team to guide bridge owners. Step 2, calculate the actual risk.
And if that risk is too high, they have to make a plan to bring it down. The Key Bridge was a huge tragedy. The big question now is, will it be the wake-up call we need?